unique in our solar system. The origin of life on our planet. Home of legends, tragedy, adventure, and the diversity of life itself. The ocean. The ocean is home to some 94% of the species on our planet. Around 250,000 are known to us. The rest remain undiscovered, with new ones coming to light every day. To humans, it's a playground. A highway. A larder. From the frozen oceans of the north to the warmer equatorial waters, the oceans are teeming with a rich diversity of life. Join us as we journey across the planet's oceans, meeting the small, the large, and the downright odd inhabitants of this mysterious world. A truly alien world within our world.